In this video, we're going to show you how to program a 2 gig Pad1 secondary keypad to a Go Control keypad. So after you open this up, put the batteries in, you're going to want to close it. You're going to want to go push the home button so you're at the main screen. Push the logo on the bottom right hand corner. Install or type in your dealer code. Fresh out of the package, this comes at 1561 as the dealer code to get into the programming, but you may have to ask your alarm company if that code doesn't work. System configuration, top left button. Click skip. Skip again. You'll see key fob on there. You're going to skip to where it says select RF keypad number. If this is the only keypad you're installing, you'll just go to stay on keypad 1. If you have another keypad that you've already installed, and this is the second one, you'll click the right arrow over to go to keypad 2. But we're here on keypad 1. We're going to push the down button. Select RF keypad 1 used. If it's on disabled, we want it to be enabled. Click down. Equipment code, it says other. We should only have to click one arrow to the right to go to Pad1 345 wireless. Press down. Got a bunch of zeros there under serial number. We're going to click shift, learn, and it's going to be listening. Then we're going to hold down, push a button. After you hear that beep, and it shows an ID number here, you're going to click OK. You're not going to touch anything here except for the down button. Equipment age, new's fine. Go down, emergency keys, we want them enabled so we can push one of these panic buttons here. So then we're going to click down. We want it on keypad 1. Since this is the first keypad we're installing. You can change the name on here, but let's leave it simple. So just push the down arrow. Oh, we push forward. So push the down button. It's going to have a summary here. As long as you followed all the steps I included, you should be fine. We're going to click skip. End. We want the save changes check mark there. It should already be there. Make sure it's checked though. Click exit. Now the keypad's going to turn off and reset. And when it comes back on here in a minute, it'll be programmed. And we're going to test it out here in a second.
Disarmed. Ready to arm.
All right. So if we click stay mode,
Arming stay.
you'll see that it arms the main keypad. And to disarm it, you kind of want to be a little slow on the buttons you're pushing. So you're not going to go typing your code super fast. So this code is 1111. So we're going to go a little slow. We're going to go 1, 1, 1, 1.
System disarmed. Ready to arm.
And there you go. It's paired.